Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to s squared. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to 2s ds. dv, we have cosine 2s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 2 sine 2s. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v. So we have number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 that we cancel, and you have about the integration. That's about s multiplied by sine 2s ds. Now we can use the same technique, but this one that's about s. So this one you got about ds. This one we have sine 2s. The integration of sine 2s, we will have about negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative side and we have another negative. So you got about positive 1 over 2, and we have the integration cosine 2s. The integration of this one, we will have about 1 over 2 sine 2s, and now we put about sin here. This one we have 1 over 4. So this negative will change the sign of this one and this one. So we have positive 1 over 2 s cosine 2s minus 1 over 4 sine 2s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.